Well, here we are again with a TV issue. Welcome Southeast Ohio Solar Haven once again. So, earlier this year, I fixed this crazy TV. It's a Samsung 50-inch Ultra HD 4K TV, and this is all there is to them. Earlier this year, I'd fixed the backlight LED on them. And, a lot of people ask how to get the backs of these off of here. And right here on the bottom of them, you'll see on the back. They'll be on the very bottom of your TV on the back of it. There's these little notches. And right here, you can take a screwdriver where that notch will be and it'll pop that up. And it's got these little wires right here. What these are, they got clips. It presses down, that clips and snaps all together. So there's no screws holding the back of those on, just to let you know. But the model number of mine, if you can see it, I'll hold it right there. That is exactly the model number of this TV. And you can see what I'm dealing with. And I just set it there for a minute, or you can pause the screen. But I bought this at Sam's Club, and boy, I tell you what, it's a big issue. So my problem now is, about a week ago, I started having problems with the HDMI inputs, and it just finally gave up the ghost. Now, during this video, something that you may or may not have noticed. Look at the heat right here. Look at these. Look how the discoloration is in this TV from the heat from these boards. So I suspect there's a lot of heat inside of these TVs. And since I've already taken this TV apart so many times, I've decided what I'm going to do with it is, because there's a heat issue, I'm going to actually take where the cover is right here. Now this is just a mold thing or whatever. It's not, you can't pop this apart. It's just something they molded on there. I'm going to take and use a hole saw, and I'm going to install fans blowing on the back of these boards on the back of this TV just to keep it cooler. But I ordered a set of new boards. I mean, the power supply works. This is crazy. The TV still works. I can hook it up to cable, watch TV, but I got no HDMI inputs whatsoever. I have no optical outputs, no HDMI, nothing. None of it will work where you got input or output. But it'll sit there and play TV just fine on the cable. So I'm going to replace that board and replace that board. I found a complete set pulled out of a TV that was supposedly damaged in shipping on eBay for $39. So hopefully once I get that in, I can do a video for you and let you see how it worked out. If not, I'll tell you the bad. It doesn't matter. It all comes with it. So just wanted to give you an update there on that brand of TV. For some reason, they got, the LEDs go bad in them quicker. These boards go back, so I'm going to modify the heck out of this TV. Anyway, thanks for watching. Later.